at you right now. I'm so pissed. Nothing without you guys just coming and messing everything up. Dude. You know what? I know we'll fix this. Ready for some Miss Rachel? Ooh, these kids piss me off. Piss me off. Guys, dinner is like halfway done at this point. I'm pretty happy. Dinner's almost done. Got these kids. Gonna get them nice and happy in bed. Millie, go get your sippy cup. Millie, go get your sippy cup so I can fill it up. Go get you and brother's cups. Come on. Help mama out. Go get the cups. Millie, help mama out. Go get the cups. Go find the cups. Okay. That's put away. Rocky, move away. Move away from this stuff. We're not doing this back and forth. You make a mess, I clean this shit. We're not. Millie, are you bringing me your sippy cup? Did you find it? That's not what you're supposed to be looking for, though. Becca? I'm tired of you doing things after I said no and then fucking my shit up. Tired of it. You knocked that over on purpose, and I'm done with that shit. Fucking getting water on my fucking $3,000 printer, bro. Because you want to be a spoiled, rotten brat. I don't think so. Okay, now that this is all taken care of for the most part, I'm not going to wipe this off because we're about to eat and he's going to get it messy again, so why not dirty? Okay. Alright. Alright. happy feet. 'Cause we're making food and everybody's hungry. Oh, Millie. Everybody, thank you for joining. Make sure you guys go check out my pinned videos. Go watch them and like them. It doesn't count if you don't like them. Thank you. I appreciate that. Check out this pizza. I gotta go downstairs and do the laundry. Be right back. I gotta run downstairs and do the laundry real quick. Excuse me, guys.
Can't be reading them.
We have 2 loads of laundry left, and